Good morning, children. First of all, I would like to thank Satyanarayan sir, Vice Principal and Principal sir, to extend my lesson on education for life among you people. Today, I would like to quote few lines by Robert Frost. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Do you remember these lines? Class 9th and 10th students? Can you name the poem? It's in the poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. This is also another poem by Robert Frost, and these are the concluding lines. Here, actually, these lines are on a rider, horse rider, who was going to his destination, but before he reaches his destination, it was evening. It was beautiful evening. He was passing through an wood, and the weather was very pleasant. Snow was falling. The whole of the atmosphere was reddened, and it had become so much attractive, inviting, and beautiful. So the rider decides to stop for some time and here enjoy the weather and nature, and then to move on. But when he stopped, shook its head, ringing the bell and thus warning him that he was doing something wrong. So here he realized his mistake, and he then says, woods are lovely, dark and deep. Means these woods that are so beautiful, inviting and attractive for me, they may be attractive, but I have set my destination that is far, far away from here. I have forgotten my objective to fulfill before I take rest, and it's still miles and miles away. On this realization, he moves on towards his destination, leaving the beauty behind. Mark it. So this is applicable to your life too, my children. These woods are this pied beauty in the world around you that many times attracts you, distracts you,
and you
get messed up with it. No, that is wrong. Once you have set your objective, once you have realized the goal of your life, nothing should distract you. Mark it. All the pleasures in this world are nothing but a bait. They only distract you away from your objective. Don't get messed up with them. Realize your objective and move on your life with confidence.